Hello, before we start, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dream Chaser space plane ready for testing. Sierra Space could launch the Dream Chaser in the first half of the year. Reusable space planes have fallen out of favor since the end of the U.S. Space Shuttle program, but Sierra Space is one step closer to bringing them back. The company's in-development Dream Chaser vehicle has been mated to the Shooting Star cargo module for the first time at NASA's Neil Armstrong Test Facility ATF in Ohio, so it can undergo critical launch testing. In the coming months, the company hopes to see its Dream Chaser head into space for the first time. The Dream Chaser and Shooting Star arrived at ATF several weeks ago, where engineers assembled the spacecraft and then strapped it to the world's largest shaker system inside the agency's Mechanical Vibrations facility. The Dream Chaser has been through several horizontal and vertical shake tests, which simulate the kind of mechanical stress a vehicle can experience during launch and engine burns, reports Spaceflight Now. NASA reports no immediate problems with the spacecraft, but it's going to be shaking for a few more days once that's done. The Dream Chaser demo craft, dubbed Tenacity by the team, will head to the In-Space Propulsion facility, which is also at ATF. This lab has the only high-altitude vacuum chamber in the world large enough to accommodate a full-scale rocket engine and launch vehicle. Here, Dream Chaser will experience pressure and temperature changes similar to those it will encounter during a mission. When that testing is done, Sierra Space will ship Tenacity to Kennedy Space Center for launch aboard ULA Vulcan Centaur rocket. This will be just the second launch for ULA's new heavy-lift rocket, the first being the ill-fated launch of the Peregrine lunar lander. That mission, the first U.S. lunar lander in decades, failed to reach the moon due to a fuel leak. Hopefully, Dream Chaser fares better. Sierra Space says it hopes to have the Dream Chaser on the pad in the first half of 2024. It will conduct 7 cargo missions to the International Space Station as part of the Commercial Resupply Services program. If successful, Dream Chaser will be the third commercial spacecraft delivering supplies to the ISS after the SpaceX Dragon and the Northrop Grumman Cygnus. Like the SpaceX Dragon, Dream Chaser is reusable. However, the Shooting Star cargo module was designed to burn up in Earth's atmosphere upon return, giving the spacecraft a convenient way to dispose of rubbish from the ISS. Sierra Space plans to use Tenacity for the first 4 of its contracted ISS resupply missions. The latter 3 will be handled by the next Dream Chaser, which the company has named Reverence. Dream Chaser has been designed to launch at least 15 times, but the company has hinted that it could last much longer. Thank you for watching.